Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. This recipe is one of many from my culture's collection of chang pian, literally translated as common easy home recipes. This recipe only needs 2 ingredients, about 15 to 20 stalks of French beans and 5 to 6 eggs. These ingredients will be enough to make 2 omelets. Start with chopping the French beans into small pieces, cut into half a centimeter size so that it can then easily merge with the eggs to make the omelets. To cut them fast, bunch 5 to 6 stalks of beans together. Hold them tightly and cut them. Keep moving your fingers back as you cut them. Always keep a safe distance between your fingers and the knife. If you are a beginner, you can also try to cut 1 or 2 at each time. French beans are very healthy ingredients, and this is one of the ways to eat them fresh. After cutting the beans to the desired length, heat a pan and pour some oil to coat the pan. Here I'm using a 20 centimeter flat pan, and 5 to 6 medium-sized eggs will be used to make 2 omelets. Use the oil to heat the pan. Pour the French beans into the pan once the pan is heated. Saute until the beans are cooked and slightly brown at the tips. The stirring process will take 2 to 3 minutes. Give a little time to achieve the slightly brown tips moment so that the beans become softer and more smoky flavor. We are cooking this on medium heat. When the beans are being cooked, crack the eggs into a bowl. Add some ground pepper, salt, and some light soy sauce to the eggs. Use a fork or whisk to beat up the eggs until they become a little frothy. You will get a fluffier omelette if the eggs are beaten till frothy. Before pouring the eggs in, try to give the beans a good stir and then distribute the beans evenly in the pan. Pour in half of the beaten eggs. Swirl the pan a little from side to side to make sure the eggs covered the entire pan evenly. Now that it's time, give the eggs some time to cook evenly and make sure the fire is again on medium heat so that the eggs do not burn from the bottom part. You can use the sides of the eggs starting to become a little crisp to indicate that the bottom part of the eggs have become cooked. This is a good time to fold the eggs. I like to fold the eggs into half and use the spatula to cut them into pieces. Flip over to the other side to also get the golden brown color. Now, there are more ways to eat eggs now. Green beans are also called French beans, string beans, and snap beans. And this is how my mom prepares it. And she often serves it with braised soy chicken. You can also eat it just by itself. You can also watch another video that shows how to fry fresh French beans in a skillet so that you have different ways to cook these delicious and wholesome beans. If you buy 1 pound of beans in the summer, the price ranges from $1.99 to $1.49 each pound. Half the portion can be used for the skillet and another half pound of this for egg omelette. Nothing goes to waste. Whichever way you eat this bean, it is full of goodness and it is a moderate source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin B, iron, calcium, folate, and manganese. During the summer months, this is plentiful. Go ahead and try this recipe. I hope you like this recipe and please subscribe to my cooking channel, Meals with Sue, in which recipes are made with wholesome ingredients and cooked in healthy ways. Enjoy, everyone.